Olá, eu sou o René. Hoje vamos visitar o submarino. Wow, looks cool, man. It's like a spaceship, but actually it's a bedroom for the crew. Hello, hola. This is a clinic. It's the sink. So if I can open the lid, that will be the outside world. So this is the common area. You should have some newspaper here, I guess. And then you can watch TV. Oh, here you got some bedroom as well. So where are we going? Oh, the equipments are so old. Oh no, they have a new one here. Say the board. So that is the thing. Let's see, what is it? Actually, you can see Lisbon, but no, not from the camera. So you communicate with this thing, this pipe, to down there. So many valves.
Wow!
This one is used to fix the carbon dioxide. Ooh. Somehow you have a gun here. What's it for? Inside submarine? You have a toilet. And this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. And after you cook, you strictly go to the toilet and shit. This is supposed to be the engine area. So cool. And you have bats again. Okay, and that's it for the submarine. Oh, the ship boat.
E como não havia motor, como é que vocês calculam que este o que é que acontecia através do vento? Olha. Agora. Isto aqui é quando se empurrava. Sai daí!
When you go in, the lower deck, there's a kitchen, I suppose. Hi, Captain. Keep the shit here. The ceiling is too low. Oh, you have games here. So how you prepare a cannon? Put the power, and then use this one to bam bam bam, and then fire the cannon.
Era o que fazia com o barco parado.
Like the bomb, huh? My bomb. This is the water pump. So you kind of control here. Push. Whoa. This is only for the captain, I think. Nice. Oh, you scare me. Hello. So the captains live here. Nice. This cannon is 12 pounds. This is 32 pounds. Whoa. Do you have any idea of what is it? This is pharmacy. Cool. Wow. Can you see that? Cool, man. Oh, what is this all for? Let's keep going. This is the storeroom. One of the storeroom. Oh, there's a carpenter on the boat. Ooh. This is the powder room. How do you call it? This is for storing the powder. This is the food store. Oh, this is the key. This is the room for the weapons. You got sword, guns, hammer. Oh, so this is the dining area for the crew. Oh, it's quite big though. Ooh. And the crews live here, right? Oh, swing, swing, swing. What is it? They keep the wine here or water? Or what is it? Alright, this is the doctor. Haha, yes. He's getting treatment. It's the storeroom for all the tours. Ooh. This is the cabin for the passengers. Oh, hello. The bed is so short.我一直都说葡萄牙人很矮啊，我一直碰我的头很痛。There are totally 4 decks you can go for a visit. And this is so funny. And this is the boat.